Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. Netaji Subhas University of Technology vacancy for Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor. Eligibility BE or BTech, ME or MTech, MArch, MBA, MCom, PhD. Age limit born after 1st March 1967 for Professor, born after 1st March 1972 for Associate Professor, born after 1st March 1987 for Assistant Professor. Last date for application 13 May 2022. 45 graduate apprentice trainee post vacancy in Hindustan Copper Limited. Eligibility degree in mining, electrical, mechanical, civil, architecture, engineering, pass out in the year 2019, 2020 and 2021. Last date for application 13 May 2022. Stipend 9,000 per month. 41 Group B Post Inspector, Sub Inspector, Junior Engineer vacancy in Directorate General Border Security Force. Eligibility degree in architecture, diploma in electrical or civil engineering. Age limit maximum 30 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 7 June 2022. 25 scientist post vacancy in CSIR National Physical Laboratory. Eligibility ME or MTech and PhD. Age limit maximum 32 years. Last date for application 23 May 2022. Salary as per pay level 11. Indian Institute of Technology Ropar vacancy for Registrar, Deputy Registrar, Assistant Registrar, Assistant Student Counselor, Junior Engineer, Civil on Deputation, Nursing Orderly. Eligibility 12th Science, Degree in Law or Management or Engineering. Master Degree, MA in Psychology. Experience required for all posts except Nursing Orderly. Age limit maximum 27 years for Nursing Orderly, 40 years for Assistant Student Counselor, 50 years for Deputy Registrar, 56 years for Junior Engineer, Assistant Registrar and 57 years for Registrar. Last date for application 30 April 2022. Government of India Press engagement for apprenticeship training for the post 18 offset machine minder to plate maker and 24 book binder. Eligibility 10th. Age limit minimum 14 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 14 May 2022. Stipend 6,000 per month for offset machine minder, plate maker and 5,000 per month for book binder. Center for Railway Information System vacancy for Assistant Software Engineer, Assistant Data Analyst. Eligibility BE or BTech, ME or MTech, MSc, MA, MCA. Age limit between 22 to 27 years. Apply between 25 April 2022 to 24 May 2022. Salary as per pay level 7. Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board vacancy for Assistant Archivist, Manager, Shift in Charge, Protection Officer, Deputy Manager, Pump Driver, Fitter Electrical, Electric Driver, Motorman, Electric Mistri, SBO, Filter Supervisor, Bacteriologist. Eligibility ITI in Electrical, Graduation, Diploma in Archives, Degree in Civil Engineering, Postgraduate in Social Work, Sociology, Master Degree in Biochemistry, Microbiology, Bacteriology, Biotechnology, Zoology. Age limit between 18 to 30 years for Assistant Archivist, Protection Officer, Bacteriologist, 18 to 35 years for Manager, 18 to 32 years for Shift in Charge, 18 to 27 years for Pump Driver, Fitter Electrical, Electric Driver, Motorman, Electric Mistri, SBO, Filter Supervisor. Last date for application 9 May 2022. Bihar Regimental Center Danapur Kent Patna vacancy for cook, washerman, barber, safaiwala and carpenter. Eligibility 10th ITI. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 13 May 2022. Army Recruiting Office Kolhapur vacancy for multitasking staff civil motor driver. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff and 18 to 27 years for civil motor driver. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 21 May 2022. जम्मू Kashmir Rifles Regimental Center Jabalpur Madhya Pradesh vacancy for Army Group C post stenographer, draftsman, cook, LDC, bootmaker, tailor, MTS, washerman and barber. Eligibility 10th 12th ITI. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 18 May 2022. Salary as per pay level 1, 2 and 4. Thanks for watching till the end.